So once again, I want to thank all the members for being here today. Thank you to all the guests for coming out and seeing me here this morning as well. We know you guests have busy schedules, so we appreciate all you guys coming in and seeing us. We've been kind of chit-chatting here for the past half an hour. I want to go over my trades with you guys quickly here, though. Before I talk about the trades we took today, I do want to remind everybody out there is risk out there in these markets, so please be careful with your risk capital. Okay, be careful with your risk capital out there. We make it look pretty easy here in this trade room, and it's all because of our trading method. We have a very specific trading method, a very specific trading plan. We come in every day and we plan our trades and we trade our plan. Now, we are having a tremendous month of May so far, so I'm glad to have all the new faces here today with us. And, of course, don't forget, you can contact us anytime you want questions about our lifetime membership. It comes with everything we've talked about today, 2 trade rooms. And, again, don't forget, there's a welcome video here, a welcome message for you right on the blog. Go to the trade room handy links, and you'll see the welcome message there for you for all the guests. So, a big warm welcome there once again, everybody. Thanks for being here. This morning, what a challenging but rewarding day. Now, take a moment for a second here to look at the results we've had this week, and you'll see, I mean, we are making a killing here in May, but the week's definitely been challenging. It's been a challenging day today. It was a challenging day yesterday. This is why I love when we plan our trades and then trade our plan, because when I see a day like today where we did not have any consistency, with no consistency at all, but we had a very good plan. So we stuck to the plan, wanted to pull our hair out here a couple times today. Great day, though. Began the day here with 3 clues: the news, the dollar, and some price wedges. You're going to see here, though, on crude oil, we took quite a few trades, and there was quite a bit of concern about who was in charge the whole time. We had a feeling that crude oil was sharing volume because of contract rollover. Tomorrow, we'll most likely start to see the crude 612 contract roll over to the crude 712 contract. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. What that means, though, is that about 50% of the volume is on the 612 and about 50% of the volume is on the 712. Now, tomorrow and, of course, next Monday, that should fix itself. But for today, though, we were wondering, was it the crude rollover, or was it the options expiring tomorrow? Or what was the deal? What was the reason why crude personality was so weird today? It was odd. And, you know, we have the frame of mind because we trade crude every day. I trade crude, euro, Russell, and gold every single day of the week. So when crude oil is at the top of its wedge and it won't tumble like it did today, we sat there kind of scratching our heads going, this is not typical. And as a day trader, we're programmed, right? We're trained as traders to pick up on things that are not typical, right? Jobless claims came out, what were they? Came out higher. Crude didn't drop, and it should have. What's wrong? Crude price goes to the top of the wedge. It doesn't drop. What's wrong? What's different? What did I miss? And so you're going to see here, the first 45 minutes of the day, we made about 800 ticks, about 80 ticks. We did great the first 45 minutes, but then, boy, between 9 and 10:30, man, it got difficult. We got one nice big winner on crude at 9:35, but boy, it got real challenging there for a while. And let me show you guys why. Let's review why. Now, I'll be honest. We really only needed one big clue today, but we got 3 of them all together, though. What was the first clue? The first clue was today's Thursday of OPEX. Now, Thursday of OPEX, as we discussed this morning at 7:30, is not supposed to be a very bad day at all. Yesterday, Wacky Wednesday, watch out. Okay, Wednesdays are notorious for being the most challenging day of OPEX week. So this morning, we came in thinking this is going to be a breeze. Well, again, I can't really complain about making almost 300 ticks of profit today by following our plan, but it definitely wasn't the easy 300 ticks. So we know this morning, we should expect to see a good day today. And of course, with jobless claims coming out, boy, that's going to get us going fast, quickly, really early this morning. So the first thing we see is the 8:30 news tells us expect the day to start early. The second clue we got, 10 o'clock news is important, but the second clue we got was no news later on in the day, and tomorrow's OPEX Friday. What that tells me is that traders are going to be leaving the market after 10 o'clock today ahead of tomorrow's OPEX Friday. This is that example of a self-fulfilling prophecy. And that is, traders think tomorrow's going to be sloppy, therefore they leave early today, they take the long weekend, and tomorrow ends up being sloppy right along with this afternoon. Okay? It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The first clue we had today was the news. Get in early, get out early. And then, boy, did we get a heads up when we started looking at price action. The price action clearly was struggling today. The Russell had something wrong with its exchange. For some reason, the Russell wasn't getting data today from the exchange. Gold was pushing higher highs to buy pullbacks, but sloppy. Euro very sloppy. No dollar movement at all early this morning. It was very, very challenging early.